Hello, everyone. I am Cristina Osorio, Senior CXC Product Manager for Intune. Let's talk about advanced endpoint analytics and how it's transforming the way organizations manage and optimize their end user experience. For those who have not seen it, I would encourage you to watch the video on endpoint analytics because advanced endpoint analytics is built on top of it. Together, they constitute a powerful solution from Microsoft that provides comprehensive visibility into the end user experience across your organization. The core purpose of advanced analytics is to help IT teams proactively detect endpoint issues, streamline troubleshooting, and improve how users interact with their devices and technology. Let's look at the advanced features included in Microsoft Intune Suite. First, custom device scopes allow you to use device tags to slice endpoint analytics reports for a specific subset of devices. This means that you can focus on devices that you manage, those assigned to a particular business group, or even devices located in a specific region. This targeted approach enables you to see scores, insights, and recommendations that are relevant only to your area of responsibility. Second, the anomalies feature monitors device health for regression in user experience and productivity, especially after a configuration change. This helps IT teams quickly identify and address issues before they impact users on a larger scale. Third, the enhanced device timeline provides more events and lower data latency, making it easier to troubleshoot device issues with up-to-date information. Next, we have Device Query. Device Query gives near real-time access to data about the state and configuration of devices, and it empowers your IT professionals to make informed decisions and respond rapidly to emerging problems. We also have multi-device query, and do not confuse the two of them. Device query for multiple devices allows you to gain comprehensive insight about your entire fleet of devices using custom query language to query across collected inventory data from your devices. Next, the battery health report offers visibility into hardware performance issues that can affect user experience. By monitoring battery health, organizations can address hardware problems proactively and ensure devices remain reliable. As mentioned before, Intune Advanced Analytics is integrated into the existing endpoint analytics experience within the Intune Administration Center. It is in particular located on the reports, and this means that organizations can access these advanced capabilities without changing their workflows or learning new tools. So, in summary, advanced endpoint analytics equips organizations with the insights and tools needed to deliver a better technology experience for users, reduce downtime, and optimize device performance. By leveraging these advanced analytics, IT teams can move from reactive troubleshooting to proactive management, ensuring that technology truly empowers every user. Hope this was useful, and thank you all for your time.